A very good morning, Dutch bike blogger here. On an early morning ride, and it's cold. But I'm wearing a hat and gloves now. So that's actually a lot better. Well, left early from home. So I don't have to race to work. I hate it when I have to race, so that's why I left on time. Well, good thing the car could back up. There's a freakishly bright light on the sidewalk. Not sure what that's about. Electrical scooter. Funny. Let's take a little alternative route, not because I want to, because I can. And I hope it will not be busy on this route. Sure doesn't look like it's busy. Well, all the couches put outside here. Not sure why you don't call communal service and tell them I have a couch. I'll bring it yourself. Of course, way easier to pick up the couch, carry it out of your apartment and dump it to the rubbish containers. Let's go through here. Still not busy here too. Always nice. On the road, taking a left here. I really would have liked to stay in bed a little bit longer. Little mishap this morning. I set my alarm clock on my mobile phone and also on my computer. I got one of them wrong, the computer. I accidentally set it on 6 and not on 7. So I was rudely awakened by an electronic rooster at 6. Only thing I thought to myself when I woke, is it already 7 o'clock? And I watched on my mobile phone and no, it wasn't. I had still an hour of sleep. Well, that's nice, isn't it? Was a rude awakening, but then with the knowledge you can go to sleep for a whole hour, it's very nice. Tomorrow I have a later shift. So I will be traveling in the morning light. I have to start at 9:30 tomorrow. I do have to work until 6, by the way, but that's another story. But it's quite all right. Well, nice that it's not that busy in the morning. Not so nice that it's very dark in the morning. It's cold, no rain. When I go home there is prediction of rain, by the way. So I will probably have to wear my rain suit. Before I go home I have to watch that on weather radar to have a look what's going on. And hopefully it will be okay, but chances are quite high that I'm getting in a rain shower. Well, they dug up the parking lot here, not sure why. Looks like there have to be a cable in there or something. I think it's about 2 degrees, by the way. Not that warm. But happy that it's not that busy. I don't have to drive with the rest of the world to work. That's the nicest part of today, I think. And probably it will all go downhill from here, but Just a few turns and then I'm where I have to be, not where I want to be. Good thing I wear a hat and some gloves, because I can feel very cold fingertips at the moment. Well, an idiot driving really fast over the parking lot. Well, almost at work. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. Click on the bell button for a notification of my next upload. If you'd like to share something, please do so in the comment section below. Of course, I will see you next time. That will be in the late afternoon when it's raining. And please try to be safe out there until then. And of course after that too.